Hey guys, if you want to see how I got these green chrome nails, then keep watching. So it's better to add more extension glue than not have enough of it, so I add it to the shape of the nail, and then you go at a 45-degree angle, making sure there's no air bubbles, and you put it on the nail and then flash cure it under the UV light. In here I'm checking to see that the tip fits sidewall to sidewall, which it should, and I also filed the inside of the nail, which is called etching, and then I primed it as well, and just continued the steps for all the rest of the nails. If any of the extension gel gets on the outside, which I did have a little on that finger, you can just go in when you're filing and buffing the nail and it'll get rid of it. Then you want to cure the whole hand for 1 minute. Now I'm going to go in with my file and I'm basically cleaning up the cuticle and just flushing the nail tip with the cuticle to make it look seamless. And I'm also making sure to kind of roughen up the entire surface of the tip so that I can put the hard gel on top or the builder gel on top, whichever one you choose. But I just do recommend putting something on top of the nail tip, or else it'll just kind of be like you're walking around with plastic on your fingers and not anything with any actual structure, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to go in with the Beetles Builder Gel and I'm going to put this on every single nail. I'm not going to flash cure them because I'm not putting enough to where it'll kind of move around. I'm just going to cure them all at the end for 1 minute. So the next step is to go in with the matching polish of the chrome. I recommend you do this because if I had used a black base instead of the green for this chrome effect, it would have looked a little bit darker. But if you want that effect, then go for it. But if you want like a solid color chrome look, like if you want a blue chrome, you should use a blue gel polish under it, and so forth with every other color. And now I'm going in with the clear gel top coat. And you only want to cure this for 20 seconds or 30, but really just 20, because if you don't, it'll get messed up, which I'll show you. So this is by far one of my favorite colors. So I'm going to go in with the applicator brush, and I'm putting on the chrome, but as you can see, it is not sticking because I cured that for a full minute. And you do not want to do that because there's nothing for it to stick to, like it's completely cured. And the only reason it's probably sticking to that side is because my hand was tilted in the UV lamp, which also wasn't right of me to do. So all around, that was a flop, and I'll take that L. I put on another layer of the clear and cured it for 20 seconds, and then I go back in with the chrome, and it looks good. This is by far the most satisfying part, and you just want to make sure that you work it into your cuticle so that there's no spot without the chrome powder. I'm just using a big fluffy brush I got from the dollar store, and you want to make sure to get all the dust off so it doesn't collect in your gel polish. Make sure that everywhere there's chrome, there's the clear top coat on top, and then you want to cure everything for 60 seconds. Afterwards, you want to use an alcohol prep pad to get rid of all the collected chrome on the outside of the nail. Last step is to oil your cuticles.